Yo guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're trying another special drink. We're trying original Skittle drink. Now, it says up here like Skittles original. Now, I don't know how this is gonna taste. If you look on the back, it has 32 grams of sugar. But yeah, like those ads that say taste the rainbow? I guess we're really gonna be tasting the rainbow. But anyways, I'm excited to see and taste what this drink will taste like. There's a bunch of different flavors. I got the red one here. So anyways, I'm gonna crack it open. Alright, so guys, as you can see, I got it open here. Time to taste test. Ooh, it smells like, well, it does smell like medicine, but it also tastes like fruit punch and stuff like that. But yeah, I would give it like a 7 out of 10. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.